Hey, welcome back Blender enthusiasts, back with Addons Here. Today, I have an absolute treat for your creative souls. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 new free assets and resources for Blender that will take your 3D experience to the new heights. Let's dive headfirst into a whirlwind of awesomeness. First, we get Smooth Bevel. Now prepare to smooth your way through 3D wonders with the new Soft Bevel add-on. Say goodbye to manual adjustment. With this new nifty tool, you can effortlessly achieve perfect bevels every single time. It's like having a magical bevel genie by your side. This add-on gives you many bevels, selection, customization, and modes where you can easily achieve a perfect bevel unlike before. And with the version 2.0 gives you a lot more features and improved quality. So go right ahead and check out this add-on. Now come up next, we've got Image to Mesh add-on or Key2M. It's like turning 2D dreams into 3D reality. This powerful add-on transforms images into stunning 3D meshes. It's an artist's dream come true. It has a lot of modes, it has a lot of features to help you get those 2D images into 3D meshes in any way possible. You can check out the add-on from Gumroad and try it out by yourself. Alright, we only scratched the surface of these amazing free Blender add-ons. Make sure to check out the rest of the list to unlock a whole new realm of creativity. Don't forget to support the add-on creators by sharing their work or considering a donation. Next up, you get Melt Generator Setup, which uses the Blender 3.5 simulation node branch. With this add-on, you can easily add more realism to your object. Well, melted objects. This is easily create any object, any surfaces into a melted version of them. And you can do it real time by hand to choose a specific section of the object to be melted. There's nothing much to say about this add-on besides how great it is, so go ahead and check it out from the link in the description down below. Next, we got the Engine Effects version 1. If you guys work on any type of engine structures, it can go from a spaceship to just hand-powered beam and blasters, you'll need this add-on. This easily creates a procedural engine burst thrust effect for Blender. Check out this gorgeously made engine effects, which you can then edit and adjust to your liking and make it into your own. And try it out for your own projects. Go ahead to the Gumroad link in the description down below. Lastly, we got the building generators free for Blender. Oh my god, this building generator can be used for so much stuff, such as for game engine, a quick visualization for any project you have, a background scene for your animation, and a lot more. It's easily done, it's easily repeatable, and there's so much more option to this that you can use, which give it a very great value, and it is free for everyone to use. So yeah, check out all the add-ons that we list today, and don't forget to comment down below which one is your favorite. Alright, we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like the video. But for now, bye!